Today we will see about acid, base and salt class 10 part 3. Previously I uploaded the part 2 and 1 and I will give the link in the description, you can see. So today we will see about strong acid and base solution. How strong are acid or base solution? pH scale, definition of scale, role of pH in everyday life, digestive system, tooth decay, soil and animals. So let's begin with our first topic. How strong are acid or base solution? In distilled water, concentration of hydrogen ion means H plus ion and concentration of hydroxide ion are equal means OH minus. Like hydrogen ion H plus and hydroxide ion OH minus are equal in the water. It gives the H2O as water. Thus distilled water is neither acidic or nor basic because they are in the equal form. If the hydrogen ion concentration is higher than the hydroxide ion concentration in a solution is acidic. Like if H plus ion is greater than OH minus ion, it is the acidic in nature. And if OH is greater than the H ion, it is basic in nature. And if the hydroxide ion concentration is greater than the hydrogen ion, as we given here, if the solution is basic in nature. Acid and base indicator can only distinguish between the acid and base. But an acid and base indicator does not tell about the strength of acid or base. That is, it does not tell about how strong or powerful and potential an acid and base. Since an acid produces hydrogen ion H plus and base produce hydroxide ion OH minus. In an aqueous solution, thus by knowing the concentration of hydrogen ion, the strength of an acid or base can be determined. Acid which has more hydrogen concentration is said to be stronger and which produce the less hydrogen ion is said to be weaker. If acid or anything having the more amount of hydrogen ion means there are a 4 hydrogen ion and here 3 hydrogen ion means that which have the more hydrogen ion is the more acidic in nature. So 4H is more acidic nature than 3H plus ion. Similarly, a base which has more hydroxide ion concentration is said to be stronger base. Those which produce the less hydrogen ion is said to be a weaker base. If having the 4 hydroxide ion and 3 hydroxide ion means that OH 4OH is more basic in nature than 3OH minus. Next, what is pH scale? The concentration of hydrogen ion in a solution can be determined using pH scale. In the word P stand for potency or power and H stand for hydrogen ion. P come from the German word potens, which means the power. In totally, it be said that pH means power of acid. P means potency or power, H means hydrogen. Together it called the power of an acid. pH scale is a tool using which hydrogen ion concentration is measured. Definition of pH. pH is defined as a decimal logarithmic of reciprocal of hydrogen ion activity H plus ion in the solution. So the formula of pH is minus log to the base 10 H plus, and we can also write pH is equals to log of to the base 10 1 upon AH plus. pH scale works on the value of 0 to 14. 0. The value of pH scale indicate the highly acidic or strong acidic in nature. As we seen in this figure, the pH scale include the number 0 to 14. From first 0 to 7, it indicates that it is in the acidic in nature, and from 7 to 14 it is indicate that it is in basic in nature, and in between 7 it is called it is a neutral. So as we previously learned that water is equal in the form of H plus and OH minus, so it is in a neutral. So here given 7 value of pH scale is a neutral solution, and 14 value of pH scale indicate that it is a highly basic or strong base. Strength of acid, that is acidity, increase with decrease in the value of pH scale from the 7 to 0. Strength of base, basicity increase with increase the value of pH scale from 7 to 14. Thus, by knowing the value of pH scale, strength of acid or base can be defined. We can know that if the thing is acidic in nature or basic in nature. As we move from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the power of acid is become less, and as we move from 7 to 14, on the left hand of the side, pH value of some common liquid are given, and on the right hand side, name of the liquid are given. As we know that pH scale given from 0 to 14, and we can determine the value of the substance and how strong acid or base are there and how weak they are. As we know that from 0 to 7 it is acidic in nature, and from 7 to 14 it is basic in nature. As we down the group 0 to 6, acidic value is decreases. As we down the group 7 to 14, base value is increases. First, battery have a more acidic in nature, that value is 0. Second, first acidic, that is sulfuric acid or gastric juice, which have the value 1.2. Lemon juice and vinegar having the pH 2 or something in between 2.2, 2.3, 2.6, etc. 3. Orange juice or soda that are in the nature of acidic. As compared to the battery, they are weak acid. Tomato juice and rainwater having the 4. Fifth, black coffee and banana. 6. Having the urine and milk. 7. Pure water and blood, which have 7.4, means it is in neutral in nature. So more basic having 14 as number liquid, brain, cleaner, sodium hydroxide solution. Role of pH in everyday life. What is the role of pH in our life? So first will we see about in our digestive system how the role of pH are there. Hydrochloric acid are produced in our stomach, help the digestion of food without causing any harm to the stomach. When we eat something more acidic food, we feel irritation and pain in our stomach. So hydrochloric help to digest the food which causing the harmful to the stomach. Due to the ingredient, it feel our body or stomach pain and irritation. So in order to neutralize the effect of excess amount of acid or mild base called as the antacid is usually taken in the form of medicine. Magnesium hydroxide or milk of magnesia is a mild base which is usually used as an antacid. Second, acid causes to decay. When we eat sugary food, it get degraded by bacteria present in our mouth. Acid is formed when the pH become lower than 5.5, means it have a acidic in nature. Tooth enamel get corded. Saliva, which is slightly alkaline in nature, produced in our mouth neutralize some acid, but excess acid remain unaffected. The excess acid can be removed only by the use of toothpaste, which is in alkaline in nature. Toothpaste are in base in nature. So in the morning we use toothpaste to clean our teeth. Neem stick, which we call datun, called a alkaline juice. So the cleaning of tooth by the neem stick also help to reduce the tooth decay and which clean our tooth. Second, some animals and plant contain acid, like honeybee inject an acid through its sting present in their head, so it will causes a pain and irritation. When honeybee bit something, we feel pain and irritation. Hence, a mild base like baking soda is applied to treat the wound if honeybee bite anybody. So we use baking soda, apply, and it is the treatment of honeybee. Similarly, nettle leaf, which having the stinging hair, when touch the injected formic acid in our body, this causes a burning pain. Similarly, pH of soil. Soil are generally acidic in nature. Plants require definite pH range of their proper growth. They do not grow in alkaline soil. Many plants do not grow properly in highly acidic or highly alkaline soil. So highly acidic solution is treated by spreading quick lime of the slake. Acid and base react with each other. When acid and base react with each other, the product form in water and salt. When acid and base are together, they react and to form or neutralize the acid and base property, produce a salt. The H plus cation of the acid combine with OH minus anion of the base to form a water. The compound formed by the cation of the base anion is called the salt. The combination of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide produce common salt which we eat and which we use in our daily life. Salt, NaCl. For example, here it is given that HCl, hydrochloric acid, react with NaOH, sodium hydroxide, it give H2O, water, and NaCl, salt. From here, one Cl from acid and Na from base give the NaCl, which is the common salt, and from acid H and base OH form the water in nature. So thank you very much.